Hello guys, this is the second episode of this story. What's so funny about Leon? Is he the ugly one? Ugly. Oh my god, no, he's like the fittest guy of them all. But good luck if you try going that road. Yeah, good luck with that. What do you mean? Well, Leon doesn't talk to anyone. Willie has been after him for years, haven't you, Em? I've tried everything. I even wore my tightest dress until you pressed him at the end of the year ball last year. But he couldn't even be bothered to glance in my direction. We think he's hiding a big secret. A secret? Yeah, his whole family's kind of mysterious, to be honest. There's just something so serious about them that makes us suspicious. To be honest, though, it kind of adds to his hotness. Makes him kind of dark and brooding. Okay, well, thanks for the info. I better head inside and find my locker. Nice to meet y'all. Nice to meet you too, honey. Hey, why don't you have lunch with us later? Okay, bring me a new friend. Yay. Friends, I meant. Sure. Excellent. We'll meet you in the canteen at lunchtime if we don't get a chance to talk to you in class. Okay, headphones are going straight back in. Locker room, where are you? Here we go. Just what I need, a dude. Okay. I did that by accident, but okay. Oh no. Yep, he's wearing his headphones too. Awesome. No awkward combos anywhere in sight. How do I open this locker? You doing the same as me? Excuse me? I was going to ask if you're wearing your headphones to stop people from talking to you. Jeez, why do people keep talking to me even though they know I want to be anti-social? Don't worry, I have just as little interest in talking to you as you have in talking to me. Glad we cleared that up. Damn it! Why won't my locker open? I'm standing here looking like a fool. Having some trouble? You know, you sure are chatty for someone who claims they left to be left alone. I'm just trying to help. You gotta lift that latch before you turn the key. Oh, of course. Thanks. Sorry for being rude. It's fine. I'm Leon. Oh, you're Leon. Yeah, but Leon fan. Lion fan? Really? That's quite an epic surname, dude. Makes you sound like a superhero or something. Can you save any lives recently? No? You sure? Cause it really sounds like a super... I said no, okay? Sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. No, it's me who should be sorry. I didn't mean to snap like that. I just hit a nerve. That's all. So, what's your deal? My deal? Yeah, all the girls in school think you're, I don't know, hiding some huge secrets or something. Are you? if I was, how would I know whether I could trust you enough to tell you? I could give you my word. Forgive me, I don't know you well enough to trust your word. Fine by me. I wasn't really interested anyway. Are you actually going anything in your locker or are you just standing there? Hello? Are you free this evening? Excuse me? If you want to know my secret, I'll be in Oaks Park at 7:30. That was weird. He wants to meet me. You know my love, breaks it up. You read my things, don't love. You know my love, girls bigger. You know. Okay, okay, I better stop. At lunchtime. Hold the phone. Leon. Leon wants to meet you after school? Yeah. He actually spoke to you. Yeah? Like a proper conversation? Kinda, yeah? How strange. Well, I'd be worried of him if I were you. He could be a killer or something. A killer. All I'm saying is there's been a lot of self-murders in the area recently. Maybe his big secret is that he's a serial killer? Where the hell is this coming from, Em? You love the guy. I do not. I actually don't even think he's that good looking. But just before we came to lunch, you said how he... Just leave it, okay? He's not that hot. I'm trying to protect Ray from him. He could be dangerous. I'm a black belt in jiu-jitsu. If he tries everything, I will try to choke him until he passes out. I've done it before, I'll do it again. It's kind of funny. At home time. Whoa. Who do we have here? Looks like fresh meat to me. Fresh meat. Who is this guy? One of the guys you mentioned earlier? No way. That's nerdy Jack Higgins. Nerds are cool now, Emily. Didn't you get the memo? Other nerds are cool. You're not. You're just a creep. I love our banter. It's so full of sexual tension. I'm about to puke right now. Just ignore him, Rain. Well, nice to meet you, Jack. I think. Nice to meet you too, Sugar Lips. Okay. What the hell? By the time you reach your house, darkness has fallen. I think I know where Oaks Park is. Should I be Leon? I doubt he's dangerous. I can look after myself. If I don't go, he'll be waiting there alone. Yeah, and that's kinda mean. It is mean, actually. Looks like Bill and Carol are still at work. I'll leave them a note to let them I'm going out for the evening. I wonder what's in this bedroom. I guess it shouldn't be a snoop. Let's close these curtains before I get changed. There's two purring pigeons out there now. Okay, time to get off this uniform. Should I dress up smart to meet Leon or keep it casual? I couldn't even wear my pajamas. That'll baffle him. What do I have in my wardrobe? Ooh, I do have that little red dress. I haven't worn that for ages. I'll put that make an expression. No! Where's the little dress? Oh, okay. This is special. I love this dress. I don't want to waste my money and I'm poor. Goth girl. I don't. Let's wear this because I'm so crazy. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? I just like, okay, this is going to be weird. Okay, if Google Maps is correct, Oaks Park is this away. Wow, this place is kind of beautiful. You came. Kind of skating the obvious dirt line thing. I just wasn't sure that you would. I'm curious, why did you invite me here? Are you really hiding some big secret that you're going to reveal to me? That's the plan, yes? I guess I won't be needing my jujutsu skills and nothing. I have to say, it's kind of strange that you're willing to trust me with a big secret when you don't even know me. Yeah, it's kind of against my nature. I'm not entirely sure why I'm doing this either. A good vibe? Yeah. Oh. No one ever said that to me before. Usually people get a very bad vibe from me. Easy the girl. I just don't know. I don't really understand the way people are sometimes. All the girls in school are just so, I don't know, different to me. It's like we exist in completely separate worlds. But I feel like maybe I understand you somehow. Yeah, I guess I can see what you're doing. So, you gonna tell me the big juicy secret? I promise I won't tell those girls. I'm not the gossipy type. It's okay if you change your mind and you don't want. I'm a what? A vanquisher. I vanquish, kill, elevate, destroy, whatever you want to call it, evil beings. Okay, sorry guys, we're gonna end this episode and see the next episode from my YouTube channel. Bye!